Hello everyone, this is Nausin from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is PET 160. Here is my partner.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Janata Firdaus Dipti. We are from the same batch.
So today we will do some question with WH words. So let's start. Hello Dipti, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Can I ask you some question?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. What do you do in the morning?
Well, I go to school in the morning.
Okay.
With whom does your sister go to the picnic?
Well, my sister goes to picnic with my mother. Okay. What does your father eat in the evening?
Well, my father eat tea in the evening.
Okay.
Why do you come to ELC?
Well, I learned to English ELC. Okay. Where does your father go to in the morning?
Well, my father goes to office in the morning.
Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for listening us cordially.